Hi everyone, friends! For those who don't know, my name is Tommy Brown and I'm 27 years old. Let's get acquainted. I earned my first $100,000 when I was just 21 years old. 3 years later, I had successfully made over $2 million. And in this video, using my own example, I'll show you exactly how you can make money. By the way, I have a completely free Telegram channel where I regularly post my trades. There are also free marathons there, going from $100 to $1,000. Subscribe. Well, let's get started. Today, I'll show you precisely how to effectively make money from trading in just a couple of short minutes. Let's get started right now. The trading will take place on the Pocket Option platform. This is a reliable broker that I have been trading with for several years. Everything is as transparent as possible. It's a good broker and I can sincerely recommend it. The link is in the description below this video. The platform offers both a real account and a demo account where you can practice without investing real money. So I'm trading on a real account. Now I'll switch it back. Great. For trading, we will use support and resistance levels as well as candlestick analysis. I'll explain in simple terms. The price bounces off strong zones. If you know how to identify them correctly, you can enter trades very accurately. Alright, let's find a specific currency pair where I can clearly show you exactly how we can potentially make some money. I will be placing $500 trades for precisely 1 minute each to demonstrate this strategy. Our task is to predict the direction of the price movement within the selected time frame. Okay, I'm looking for a currency pair. So, a currency pair. The currency pair that I am currently observing is the Australian dollar Swiss franc. I'm placing $500 on a downward move and will now explain this particular situation. It doesn't matter how the price moves up, down or sideways. There are always levels from which it bounces off. There's an upper level, the resistance level. Let me show it to you now. And there's a lower level, which is the support level. I'll draw it in now as well too, at this moment. These are the levels from which the price most often bounces. And if you just look at the chart, you'll be able to see them. The lower level. I'm circling the support level with the mouse, and I've also shown you the upper resistance level on the chart. All of this is very easy to remember. And now we'll see how the price, after bouncing off the upper resistance level, moved downward. Even though I opened the trade within the zone, it's more likely that the price will touch the upper line, and after that, it will push down more confidently. This is a shadow stopper candle. It's a candle that has a shadow. Roughly speaking, it's a closed candle. A full, thick candle is commonly called the body, and the thin line extending from it is referred to as the shadow. When you observe such a shadow candle appearing near a significant level, it strongly indicates that, most likely, the price will indeed bounce off it. Nevertheless, we successfully closed this particular trade in profit. As you can clearly see, $500 initially brought in a very respectable net profit of $415. And by the way, just as I precisely predicted, the price touched the crucial level and now will most likely continue to go down even more confidently. By the way, friends, my Telegram channel is listed in the description. Let me open it now. Here I post my trades every day with screenshots and a full analysis. My team and I are making money, so if you're interested, be sure to join as well. If you want to earn money using my free signals, follow the link in the description below this video and you'll get into my public Telegram channel. By the way, I've posted withdrawal proofs here as well. Just click on this link, hit start, and I will personally reply to you and add you to my free private signal group where we make money. You follow the signals and earn money. What could be easier? Now, let's carefully get back to our charts. I will diligently try to find another promising opportunity and aim to make some good money on it in just 1 minute. By the way, the percentages you see next to currency pairs indicate the payout percentage. This means that you will earn a substantial 81% on top of your initial trade amount if your prediction or bet is successful and accurate. By the way, looking at the previous situation, as I said at the very beginning, the price confidently bounced off the specified level and then went down. So now, let's make another profitable trade. I'll earn approximately $400. It's all very simple and straightforward. I always look for a suitable currency pair. Here, I place an upward trade for 1 minute and explain the situation to you. I'll even draw it out. We can see a very strong support level here. Most likely, the price will bounce off it from this level. We can clearly see here that the price has bounced back twice, and each subsequent high was noticeably higher than the previous one. In this particular situation, we can observe that the bulls have definitively started to dominate over the bears. Bulls are the green candles. They're called bulls because they push the price up with their horns. The red ones are bearish candles. They push the price down with their paws. And in this situation, we placed an upward trade because the price touched the support level for the third time. The level is strong. Let me repeat. The lower one is the support level. The upper one is the resistance level. There's nothing complicated about it. And while I was explaining, our trade closed. Plus, as you can see from the statistics, the price bounced off the support level and shot up just as it should. So friends, I opened 2 trades as a live example and earned $845 in just a couple of minutes right before your eyes. All the links will be in the description, including a link to my main Telegram channel where I give free signals. Be sure to check it out, join and take a look. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and write in the comments what you think about this video. I will definitely read all of them. And I'll send a nice bonus to the most active commenter. Goodbye everyone.